5 design secrets everyone in UI UX design needs to know. Number 1, fonts. Sometimes I see so many designs with these plain looking UIs doing everything right on paper, but the fonts for both headings and descriptions look plain, and 90% of the time they are one of these: Poppins, Roboto, Inter, or Open Sans. Now, this is good readability wise, but there is no pizzazz. Solution: add a fancy font to your headings. If you can't figure out a fancy font, here's one to get you started. Use Playfair Display or Playfair Display Italics, and these can then be adjusted and experimented with to make things interesting instantly. Number 2, image shapes. If your images look like this, or this, there's two things you can do to make things instantly interesting. Add a border radius of a very high number until the shape is completely rounded, or use image masks. Draw a weird shape, add a fill, go to the three dot menu on the top right corner, click on Use as Mask, and drag your image into the arrow of the image mask. Press Shift and select the image and the shape. Press Ctrl G to create your image mask group, and now you can use this to make interesting images everywhere. Number 3, vector shapes. Copy some vector shapes from this Figma library and then change the colors and opacities and place them on your backgrounds. You can rotate them and move them around to create really nice spaces in and around your content. This is similar to creating background patterns in UI design. You can find a complete video on this topic right here in the cards. Number 4, highlighting. Highlighting important parts of your text is important for your brand. You can change the font colors, make colored low opacity shapes, then right click and send them back to your text, or use a small vector underline or overline for decoration. Choose one of these four for the whole design and stick with it for consistency. And finally, number 5, gradients. Replacing your color palette for your UI design with a gradient is such a lively spin on your boring designs, which until now are using the same 4 colors everywhere: this red, this blue, this green, and black, and then maybe white. Find the top 25 most trending gradients for 2025 here, and I will see you in the next video.